In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payment in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into your company. Once you're in, you'll be on the main dashboard. From here, we're going straight to the option you'll use anytime a customer pays an invoice. Look for the New button, usually at the top left or in the left navigation. Click it, and from the Customer section, choose Receive Payment. This opens the Receive Payment form, which is designed to apply a payment to one or more open invoices. At the top of the form, select the customer who sent the payment. As soon as you choose a customer, you should see a list of that customer's outstanding invoices. If you're recording a payment for a specific invoice, check the box next to that invoice. QuickBooks will automatically apply the amount received, but you can adjust it if you're recording a partial payment. If there are multiple open invoices and the payment covers several, select each one and confirm the amounts. Now it's time to record the details. Enter the payment date to match the day you actually received the funds. Choose the payment method such as cash, check, bank transfer, or credit card, and, if applicable, enter a reference or check number so you can trace it later. In the Amount Received field, type the total paid by the customer. Next, select the deposit to account. If you batch your daily deposits or plan to combine multiple checks before taking them to the bank, choose Undeposited Funds so you can group them later in a single bank deposit. If this is a one-off payment that you're depositing by itself, you can select the actual bank account directly. You can also add a memo for internal notes, like the payer's remittance advice or any clarification about partial payments or early payment discounts. Some quick tips as you complete the form. Make sure you're applying the payment to the correct invoice and customer, confirm the date so it lands in the right reporting period, and double-check the deposit account to keep your bank reconciliation clean. If the payment exceeds the invoice total, QuickBooks will show a credit that you can apply later. When everything looks good, finalize it by selecting Record or choosing Save and Close. If you have more payments to enter, Save and New will keep the form open for the next one. After saving, QuickBooks marks the invoice as paid and updates your customer balance and accounts automatically. That's it. You've successfully received a payment in QuickBooks Online.